Hey there, welcome to APOB, where anyone can create their own AI influencer superstar.
Okay, this red looks slightly terrifying, but wait, why is it actually perfect? Listen to that click. This blush is aggressively pink, so obviously I'm trying it. 2 dots. Ooh, wait, that blended out so cute. This little chrome compact looks like a spaceship, but the glow, unreal. 1 tap, fine. 2.
Mascara is where everything could fall apart. Tiny wiggle, and we survived.
Honestly, huge day ahead. Let's go.
Meet Olivia, the AI influencer I created here, and let's put her in a variety of contexts.
Okay, I was going to give you a calm little update, but the waterfall clearly has other plans. Seriously, look at this place. Wooden chalets, green mountains, and a waterfall dropping straight into the village. I keep waiting for Switzerland to look normal and it just refuses. Yeah, I'm not leaving. I fully planned to sit under an umbrella today and do absolutely nothing. Then I saw the water, and that plan lasted maybe 3 minutes. Oh, okay, that wave was much more committed than I was. Look at this place. Music, waves, people everywhere, and somehow everyone except me knows what they're doing.
This is the platform I used to create the clips in this video. It's an unfiltered platform that doesn't give you the usual refusal messages that restrict your creativity. You'll get a 15% discount if you register using the link below. This platform specializes in generating AI influencers, and it's now more capable than ever with the launch of Seedance 2.5, which supports clips up to 30 seconds long. It also offers MiniMax H3 as its fast generation option. 2 of the best features this platform offers are Storyboard to video and Image to video. I'll break them down later in the video, so stay tuned. For now, let's take a look at a few more generations.
I ordered 1 sandwich, but this box feels suspiciously heavy.
Oh, come on. How am I supposed to bite that? There is absolutely no clean way to do this.
Okay, that shouldn't work, but the pickle saves the whole thing. Crispy, sweet, spicy, and apparently a 6-napkin situation. That is absolutely not a road. Easy, easy, nope, send it.
Let's take a look at the image to video feature first. But before that, I highly recommend creating your own influencer. I broke down the entire process in this video, so make sure you watch it if you want a detailed guide. Click on your model, and you'll see these options in the sidebar, including image to video. Here's what you'll see after clicking on it. From here, you can upload any image you want, but that's not all. With your uploaded image serving as the first frame, you can add up to 25 elements to supplement it or use alongside it. Then you can mention those elements in your prompt to get the exact result you need. If you want even more control, you can add an image here to use as the last frame of your video. You can also create a last frame from your first frame by clicking here. Down below, you can lock in the duration of your clip. With Seedance 2.5, you can generate a clip up to 30 seconds long using a single prompt. Next to that, you can select the resolution and then choose from the quality options. The fast option is powered by MiniMax H3, while the Ultra and Ultra Super options are powered by Seedance 2.5. As of today, the fast option, powered by MiniMax H3, can only generate clips up to 10 seconds long. If you want to test a video quickly, you can use the fast 720p option, which costs around 360 credits. If you want to go even lower, 480p is also available and only costs 80 credits for a 10-second clip. For reference, generating a 720p clip with Seedance 2.5 costs 2,000 credits. Let's move on to the Storyboard to Video option, which is directly above Image to Video. This feature gives you the flexibility to create an entire storyboard from a single description. However, if you want the best results, you need to be very descriptive and explain your exact idea in detail. That's completely possible with the platform's 20,000 character limit. Here, you can select the platform you want. Down below, you can choose the length and then the aspect ratio. Just like before, you can use your existing references before generating the storyboard. Once everything is ready, click the Generate option here to create your storyboard. This is the storyboard I used to generate the 1-minute influencer-style video featuring the Switzerland and Ipanema scenes. Overall, Seedance 2.5 is such a consistent model. AI video is getting better and better, and I genuinely had a great time testing it. What makes APOB.AI especially exciting is its unfiltered creative freedom. You can explore your ideas without constantly running into restrictions or refusal messages. In my experience, that meant 0 refusals interrupting the creative process, which made testing different characters, outfits, environments, and concepts far more enjoyable. And you're not limited to generating a few unrelated clips. You can create your own AI influencer, give that character a recognizable identity and personality, and place them in completely different situations while maintaining their visual consistency. That opens up countless possibilities. You can create lifestyle content, fashion videos, food reviews, travel scenes, product showcases, short stories, and complete branded campaigns featuring the same AI influencer. With features like image to video and storyboard to video, one character idea can grow into an entire series of original videos. That combination of consistency and unfiltered creativity gives creators the freedom to experiment, develop recurring AI personalities, and build completely new content formats around them. If you'd like to create your own AI influencer and experience that creative freedom for yourself, try APOB.AI using the link below. You'll also receive a 15% discount when you register through my link.